am currently working away at this bathroom. So, cleaned it up a bit in here. I haven't taken off the that horrible paper yet. I did get everything over here cleaned up. I'm gonna start building this wall in. Got this door off and this door. So, and let's see. That's about it for right now. Other than that, I'll tell you what, demo takes a while. It's just, look at my hair, oh my. One little thing I did find out, I'm gonna have to move that. That's right where the wall's gonna be. I'm standing right where the wall will be. So I have to move this. I have to move this. And since the door is going to be right here, I have to move all that. Well, I don't really have to do all of that right now because really I need to close this up, get that closed up and that closed up. So I have plenty to do today and tomorrow. So that's today's update. God bless. I'll see you next time on Cheaper Than Rent.